Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. US just released its unemployment claims and core PPI numbers. Unemployment claims came better than the last time, which is positive for Dow Jones and bad for gold prices. However, core PPI numbers are same. They came as flat, so nothing significant from the core PPI numbers, but yes, unemployment claims are positive for stock market and bad for gold prices. However, gold crashed. I will not say it crashed, I will just say it has consolidated from the highs. But let's talk about Dow Jones first. This is Dow Jones. Currently it is trading 35,490. Current support stands at 350. This is a very major support in Dow Jones. Once market break 350 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Dow Jones to test up to 35,200 and even 35,000 is also possible. Current resistance stands at 550. If market break 550 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect Dow Jones to test up to 35,700 and 900. Let's move on to Nasdaq. Then we will see S&P and gold prices chart. This is Nasdaq. Unlike Dow Jones, it haven't tested the new all-time high this week. Currently it is trading 15,022. Resistance stands at 15,100. Till Nasdaq is not breaking 15,100, it would remain in weak zone. However, new support stands at 14,950. Below 950, expect more weakness in Nasdaq up to 14,800 and 700. However, it is trading in weak zones, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to S&P, then we will go for gold chart. This is S&P 500 chart. It looks like we are up for a double top, so stay very cautious. However, the double top main resistance would be, let's have a look at resistance at 44.52. So I would recommend not to go for fresh buy even though it is trading in positive zone. Let's wait till S&P is not breaking 44.52. If you want to go buy, you just need to wait for 5 points. Once S&P break 44.52, then only you can buy. Disclaimer, I am not advising anyone to buy. It just if you wish to buy on these level, I would advise you to wait for at least 5 points. However, support in S&P 500 stands at 44.38. Once market break 44.38, it would enter in weak zone. Below 44.38, it could test up to 44.20 and 4400 is also possible. Let's move on to gold. This is gold chart. Clearly it is in positive zone, there is no doubt about that. However, support now stands at $1740. Once gold breaks 1740 and manage to sustain below that level, gold will enter in weak zone, otherwise it is looking positive. Current resistance stands at 1760. Once market breaks 1760, expect fresh buying up to 1770 and even 1780 is also possible. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil chart. Currently it is trading almost $69. It made high around 69.63 today, but currently trading $69. However, support stands at 68.50. Once market breaks 68.50, it will enter in weak zone. Below 68.50, expect crude oil to test up to 67.50 and $66. Resistance now stands at $70.20. Above $70.20, expect fresh buying in crude oil up to 71 and $72. Let's move on to Forex. First we will see Euro. This is Euro chart. Currently it is trading 1730, trading at the lowest point of the day, 1728 now. This is the low point of the day today. Support is very near, it is at 1720. If Euro breaks 1720 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Euro to test up to 1690 and 1650. However, resistance stands at 1760. Once euro breaks 1760 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect euro to test up to 1800 and 1850. Let's move on to British pound, then we will go for cryptos. This is British pound. Just like euro, it is also trading at the lowest point of the day. Interestingly, it also has a support of 3830. Once market break 3830, it will enter in weak zone. Otherwise, it is just 8 pips away from the negative zone. However, resistance at 3890. Above 3890, expect 3950 and 3990. British pound is also trading in positive zone, but only till it is holding 3830. Let's move on to cryptos. This is crypto Bitcoin. Currently it is trading 45,500. Interestingly, Bitcoin have entered in weak zone. Resistance now stands at $46,200. If market break $200 and manage to sustain above that level, then only it will enter in positive zone. Above 4620, it could test up to $47,000 and $49,000. However, current support stands at $44,000. Once market break $44,000, expect Bitcoin to test up to 42,500 and even 41,000 is also possible. Let's move on to Ethereum. This is Ethereum chart, currently trading almost $3,100. It has also entered in weak zone. Resistance now stands at $32.20. Above $32.20, it will enter in positive zone. Otherwise, it is looking weak. Support stands at $29.80. Currently, Bitcoin and Ethereum both are in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signals, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. For regular market updates, consider following me on Twitter and Telegram. Telegram and Twitter links are in description. I will see you tomorrow, same time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.